Hi everyone, I'm Vinay Kumar. In this video, I will explain you how to start your career in embedded systems. Are you curious about embedded systems and wondering how to start a career in this exciting field? Whether you are a student or a recent graduate or someone looking to switch careers, this guide will provide you with a clear roadmap to get started in embedded systems. Let's dive in. First, let's understand what embedded systems are. Embedded systems are a specialized processors, or you can say computers, designed to perform a specific task. You can find them in almost everything around you, like in cars, in smartwatches, or in home appliances, and even medical devices. If you ever wonder how a microwave oven knows when to stop heating, or how a car's airbag deploys at the right time, it's all thanks to embedded systems only. Why? Because all these things are depends upon the embedded systems. To start a career in this embedded systems, you need a solid foundation in few key areas. One among them is learn the basic concepts of circuits, microcontrollers, and processors. Understand how resistors, capacitors, and diodes works together. And then you have to learn one programming language, that is a C. C is the most commonly used language in embedded systems. First learn C, and then once you are comfortable with C, move on to C++, Python, or even assembly level language for coding low level programming. Okay, and then familiarize yourself with development boards like Arduino, Raspberry Pi, STM32, or ESP32. If you are a beginner, then it is recommended to move with Arduino or Raspberry Pi. Once you are familiarized with embedded systems, then you can move with STM32 or ESP32. These boards allows you to experiment and build your own projects. And nothing beats practical experience. Start with small projects to understand how hardware and software interacts. Here are the some few basic ideas. You can write a code on any board for blinking LED. It's like a hello world program for a software now. And then you can create a small applications like temperature sensor devices, and you can make some IoT devices within home. These are the some of the uh, simple projects on embedded systems. By working on these simple projects, you can get to know how the embedded systems are working and how can we program the systems, and gradually move on to more complex projects as you gain confidence. And one more thing, document your work and share it on GitHub or LinkedIn to showcase your skills. And then embedded systems often involve devices communicating with each other. So it's good to learn some communication protocols like I2C, SPI, and UART. These three are the famous communicating protocols, and one more protocol is there, that is CAN, but that is a somewhat complex protocol. As a beginner, it is recommended to learn only these three things. Okay, and then understanding these protocols will help you build more advanced projects. And many embedded systems require real-time operations, so it's good to learn real-time operating systems like FreeRTOS, VxWorks, etc. And these systems help manage tasks efficiently in devices where timing is critical, like medical equipment or automotive control units. And now I'm gonna suggest you a good course from where you can begin your embedded systems career, that is ARM Cortex course with C programming language. That is one of the playlists in our channel. You can go to our channel profile and you can browse that playlist in our channel, and you can watch that videos for learning ARM Cortex M4. You know, ARM Cortex M4 is one of the famous microprocessors. By using that processor, you can learn how to code embedded systems, and what are the hardware related terminology about embedded systems also. And that's about this video. If you have any doubts, you can ask me in comment section, or else I will give you my mail ID, Telegram channel, Instagram channel in description. You can directly contact to me. Thank you for watching this video.